Lake Bogoria is the largest so-called soda lake in East Africa's Great Rift Valley. Along its western shore is the highest concentration of geysers in Africa. There are 200 alkaline hot springs along the shores of Lake Bogoria. Some boil at incredible temperatures, over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. When the surrounding air is cool, at dawn and dusk, huge clouds of steam billow from the pools. It's at these times that the bird life around the lake is most active. 373 species of bird can be found around Lake Bogoria. But of course, one in particular steals the show. This is the largest population of lesser flamingo found anywhere in the world. At times, more than 1.5 million of them will congregate here. The lake is twice as salty as seawater and can't support fish. But the abundant green algae that thrives here provides a rich food source for the wading birds. Despite being vibrant green, the algae contains a pigment which gives the flamingos their striking pink color. Thousands gather in the shallows, giving the lake a thick pink ring around its shores. From a distance, the flamingos can look as though they're standing still. But on closer inspection, it's clear that they are constantly moving. They spend hours queuing in orderly lines to drink from freshwater spouts at the side of the lake, making patterns like slowly wafting smoke. The flamingos feed from the green alkali deposits floating in the lake, using holes in the top of their beaks to filter the water. The extraordinary ecosystem found here will continue to change, affected by the shifting volcanic faults beneath the earth. But as long as food and water are available, this remarkable throng of wildlife will return year after year.